Hey everybody, Jamie Eilerman from Wake Up with Leads here. And today in this video, I want to talk about how to use call tracking with CallRail. And this is so you can track your ad campaigns and different phone numbers you put on your website versus ad campaign or any other, even on offline materials. So you can track, record the calls, and attribute where your calls are coming from. But first thing, make sure you join Local Sales Machine. If you like the videos I've been making, join the Facebook group called Local Sales Machine, or you can jump over to wakeupwithleads.com and find it there. Okay, so we're in CallRail, which is a call tracking tool I use. There's a couple of different ones, CallFire, ACT, that you can use for your campaigns. I'm in my Clean Home Club, which is my local service business. It's a house cleaning business I have. We're in here, and I'll show you just a Craigslist ad I ran and am tracking, uh, and essentially what the dashboard looks like. I hid the caller's name and number. Normally, that's in a column here. You can do that in the table settings, but you can see who's called, when, how long the call was, um, and you can score the leads and play it back. You can see down there. So we can always play the callbacks. If you have a client and you want to track calls for them, great tool for that. And it's great for your own business. Okay, so let me show you what I'm using it for currently. This is the past 7 days for a Craigslist ad I just posted, and I posted this ad to teach a Craigslist posting tutorial, but it generated some calls for the business, and we got one sale out of it. So we spent $5, and we got $160 cleaning. So pretty cool, and we can figure out who that was, when they called, what ad fired the call tracking number, and it was this ad on Craigslist here. So we'll just click into it. You can see I have a phone number here. This is a CallRail number. This is my tracking number. So when they call this number, I know it's coming from this ad only. Pretty simple. You create that. So we'll jump into CallRail and we'll just create a number. So right now in CallRail, you would create your company. So it could be Jim's Painting Company, and you just set up your company. And then you want to create a number. So you can use it for ad campaigns or just one-off things. Maybe it's for an offline thing. You want to track. Maybe you want to track something offline like direct mail or a print ad. You would use go down this wizard. If you want to use it for your website or search ads, we'll use it for online purposes. So we'll click there. We're not going to use the dynamic number changing code, which would dynamically change your phone number on a site. We're going to do somewhere else. So ours is going to be on a Craigslist ad. And this is going to be essentially a yes, no, somewhere else. Okay, so we'll say Craigslist ad forward to call to okay, so you put your phone number in here. So the number CallRail will generate. We want an 843 number that's in the South Carolina area. This number will be our call tracking number, and it'll forward to my Google Voice number. And you can put a short whisper message. So like this call is from Craigslist ad, and you can play that. So it'll whisper this message before you answer the call, and you can also, depending on where you live, let the person calling in that this call will be recorded for quality assurance. Up to you on that. Look at where you live and the laws for that right there. Legal note. Okay, so let's Just turn all these off for now. Okay, and you can set up a call flow if you have a bigger organization. Set up notifications for your phone. Dynamic number insertion for I think that's for ad campaigns, if I can remember correctly. So we made a number here. We would take that. We could add it in our Craigslist ad, or maybe wanted to track calls on another site. Maybe we're advertising on a different directory and we want to, I wouldn't recommend that, but maybe wanted to track that as well. I know you can also use a call tracking number in your Google My Business. I think you can put one other multiple number in there so you can start tracking that. We'll get into that later. I think I learned that from Digital Triggers, but that's pretty much it. We made a number. We can put that in a Craigslist ad and start tracking. So definitely check out CallRail. Add call tracking to your tool set there, and don't forget to join Local Sales Machine, the Facebook group. Go to facebook.com, log into your account, look up Local Sales Machine, and we'll see you in the group. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. See you guys.